Yahoo! Prof here, and I've got another Pokemon Pulls video for you. First up though, we've got the haul for today, and you know, I might have mentioned in a previous video that I was looking for another box because we were getting a bit full. That's not including the stuff directly from the Pokemon Center store. So luckily today that came right in here, and let's take a look at what came in from. Actually, all this is from Amazon. So let's get you up on the tripod and take a look. All right, let's get this rolling. Of course, since it's Amazon, all of that did not come in that box like that. The only thing that came in that box, actually everything today that came in earlier, is an Amazon warehouse deal. So this, let's get you down a little bit. There. Got some Canada Dry Bold for the refreshment of the day here. So what we've got here is the Alola collection. This, if you can see, it's still in its shrink wrap, but it was inspected by Amazon Warehouse. It does have a big old dent. See right there? Usually, from my experience, also I don't think it's been unsealed. Looking at it, there are some parts moving around, so there might be something broken in there. But usually the ones that are actually physically damaged are actually physically damaged and were sent back or never sent out. So I got high hopes for that it's going to actually be a like what it says it is. Like all the rares are right there, all the, you know, everything seems to be here, and we have an X and Y evolutions, which that's my jam, you know. So in here we're supposed to have 3 foil promo cards, see those, oversized cards, saw that, a figure, a collector's pin, 5 boosters, and an online card. So I think it's all here. Well, you know, and then with one of the next coming up videos here, you'll have to see though. And I do these right away because return policy. I want to make sure I'm within that, whereas some of this other stuff that I know is legit, we can open it whenever. So if you guys saw anything in these videos that you want me to open that I haven't yet, hit me up in the comments down below, and we'll see what I can do about that. Alright, so next up, also Amazon warehouse deal, is one that I've tried to buy new, and then it has been available. I just haven't been able to get my hands on it, and that is the Hatterne, the Champions Path collection. This too, it doesn't seem damaged at all. So but it doesn't look unsealed either. So unless somebody like re-glued it or something, just to get the 4 packs that are in here, this one's looking pretty good as well. Now, the one thing that is not an Amazon warehouse deal is what shipped in here, and what I'll probably be opening in this video. You know, big ol' standard size tie envelope from Amazon, and what do we have in here? Bam! A single. I don't know how there was only one available. They must have found it or something. Sun and Moon Ultra Prism pack. Yep, that's what was in here. And Amazon and UPS managed to delay it a day, or deliver it a day late, as well as like 8:30 p.m. I wanted to get to sleep earlier today, so I wanted to shoot these. Normally I shoot these like right before I go to sleep, around 11 to 1 a.m. in the morning, you know, 11 at night to 1 a.m., depending in that range, just because it's super chill. I want to do this a bit earlier, so I was playing some Call of Duty, because I purposely left time aside to take care of this tonight before I maybe watch some anime, some TV, or a movie or something, And that didn't show up till like 8:30. So, yeah. We will be opening that one up this video. So, we are going to have some pulls along with our hauls. And last thing here is something I didn't even know was going to necessarily show up. You might kind of know by the shape of what this is, and I did already take a peek inside. This is a Sword and Shield Rebel Clash booster box. Amazon warehouse booster box. I was taking a mighty risk there. I mean, I can always return it, but you know what I mean, like. And I was not expecting it to pull through. But, as far as I can tell, these are all unopened. Now, I guess maybe somebody could have weighed them, like bought multiple booster boxes, and then weighed packs, and then like these are all the weighed packs or something. We'll see when we open them, but this looks pretty legit to me. And what are supposed to be near 36? There's 34. So we might be 2 packs short, because I think these are normally boxes of 36. You can correct me if I'm wrong here. So it doesn't necessarily say. We might be 2 packs short. But that's I would consider reasonable. Because I also did manage to get this for a fraction of what you normally would, because it's an Amazon warehouse deal. So like normally these are like new, like $130, and the secondhand market 200 or so, or I think this one's just 200, just under 200. I got it for even less than the normal, like the launch price. So let me know what you guys want to do with this. Normally I open these up pretty quickly. In this case, it will be this, what do you got, 14 days for Amazon or whatever. So within that, I'm going to have to open it. But I've never had, that's going to be a long video. Or do I do a live stream? Do we get Squeezing on this? What do we do? Like I said, I was half expecting this thing to show up with all open packs and stuff. But these don't seem to be tampered with. There's 2 missing, I think, if there's supposed to be 30, like a 36 count. But even that, it feels very tight in there. So maybe this one's only 34. I don't see anything on here that says how many are actually supposed to be in here. But yeah, so I'm pumped. That also seems to be good. Which is that's why I had to take a peek. This I didn't even know if it was going to show up, because I've had other booster packs like this. I think this is supposed to fold and then go on the back so you can tell which one it is. So like that's broken off. Maybe it was returned because of that, but hopefully somebody didn't like weigh all the packs and put all like the worst packs in here. I don't even know if that's necessarily true. Do you guys? Is it like are the ones with more hollows heavier or something? I think that's the idea. I don't know if that's necessarily true or not. Also, you need a pretty accurate scale in order to do that. Like, even like your standard postage scale probably couldn't accurately tell the difference. So you're looking at I guess if you're doing this for a living, you're making money off of it. But you're looking at a pretty accurate scale. And I know, because I was going to buy one for weighing mice, that if you want to go down to like accurate to plus or minus 1/10 of a gram, like they get into the multiple hundreds of dollars. And the reason why I wanted that is you always want one, if you can, you don't want plus or minus a gram. Like if you're weighing something that's 53 grams or something like that, right? You don't want to be plus or minus a gram. That's a substantial amount. So you want to be plus or minus a tenth of a gram. You know, like the next decimal place down. And I think that's also what you need for these, because cards are not heavy. Well, let me get this back in the classy Amazon warehouse packaging here. And you guys can let me know what you think I should do with this. One big video, split it up a couple per video. Should I do a live stream? You know? Well, let's get the camera moved down and let's pop open this single pack that came in. Normally I'd wait, but it's one pack and I have no other Ultra Prism. I don't think I've even opened an Ultra Prism before. So it's gonna be a fun experience, right? You get your haul and your pulls in the same video. Wow. Well, I completely forgot where I left off, but let's do the one pull for this video, since normally I'd save these up and do, you know, you can buy them 3 or 5 at a time or something, but there only one was in stock on Amazon and I managed to get it. So I don't think I've done any Ultra Prisms. So let's pop this guy open. It's kind of stuck. Pop this. And this is a new one. This wasn't like an Amazon warehouse. It was delayed shipping. As I said earlier, it got dropped off at like 8:30 at night. Alright. Online card. 2, 3. Let's see what we've got here. On what I think is my first Ultra Prism plaque. That isn't from like a warehouse deal that had to go back or something. Missing Clover. Bronzong. Fire Memory. Cherubi. Or Cherubi? It's Cherry. I said Cherubi. Electabuzz. Turt Twig. Cosmog. Rosalina. Got a Reverse Hollow Yanma. An Abomasnow. And a Dark Energy. Not the best pull ever, but, yeah. Thought I'd take a crack at one pack here. Well, guys, let me know what you think I should do with that booster box. And keep an eye out for some upcoming videos on the other 2 Amazon warehouse deals boxes you saw there. Because we'll see if those they look like they're all there. And one of them, the bigger one, I've got a pretty good idea that it is, because usually the ones that are actually physically damaged are indeed all there. It's just people return them because they didn't want to possibly have like damaged cards or something like that. The likelihood of them being damaged is pretty slim, so I don't mind, especially with the discount you get and the fact that a lot of these I can't get otherwise. All right, we'll see you in the next one, and like, subscribe, hit that bell, and the easiest way, as always, is you can find me as @theprophecist, and you can find the channel as @TechExchange, probably the best place to get notifications and updates when our new videos go live, since we're so small. See ya.